Hey guys, Derek here with EZLYNK. Today we're going to show you another feature on our ELD side of the company. This is going to be the vehicle inspection checklist. So for those of you who have maybe drivers underneath you or you're your own owner-operator, this will be in the app where you can go through our pre-selected checklist of potential defects that maybe you came across as you're doing your pre-trip inspection. So come along with me. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the app and we'll give you a good walkthrough. Okay, so we're already connected to the Auto Agent 3. It's plugged in the truck. We've connected to the vehicle. We're now in the ELD app. So to do this, you've got to be on duty. You can't be off duty. So we're going to change our duty status from on duty or off duty to on duty not driving. And then on the left-hand side, the top three dots, we're going to scroll down to vehicle inspections. So this will be where you can see your previous vehicle inspections. We're going to show you what it looks like to add a new vehicle inspection, or a new pre-trip, what people call it. So on the top right, we'll hit the plus button. Here's going to be your general information. You got your date, your vehicle ID. If you've got more information, such as like your license plate, if you got a large fleet, this stuff comes in handy. If it's just you yourself, maybe you don't need it. But because the Auto Agent is already connected to the vehicle, it's reading the data from the vehicle. So you've already got your odometer reading right there at the bottom. So we're going to go next, and here's the checklist. So this is just a predetermined outline of potential defects that truck drivers may come across. We've got a 21 Silverado Duramax here on your Kenworths, your Peterbilts. You're going to have like your airlines. You're going to have a lot more than on your standard light duty application if you're doing hotshot trucking. So today we're going to show you what it looks like. Let's just say we have a headlight. Okay, let's say a headlight's cracked. So here we can select if it's a minor or a major defect. Let's just say it's minor. Okay, we can add a note if it's bad, left-hand side, right-hand side, if it's in the reflector, whatever it may be. Okay, and then at this point you can go in and you can actually add a photo. So if you have if you're working for a fleet and you want to show the mechanic at that shop how bad it is, this would be a great way to show them what it looks like. So we'll just take a picture. We're going to use that. Photo's been uploaded. At this point, you can continue on and go through the entire vehicle, seeing what else maybe is wrong with your pre-trip inspection. So for now, we're just going to select this one. We're going to go ahead and hit next. And we're going to confirm. And then any other options or notes to specify. And then as the driver, you're going to sign it saying that this is a defect. And then at this point, if you're a mechanic for the shop, you can go in and you can see his notes. You'll add your name as the mechanic if you have corrected it, and then any other notes, and then at that point the mechanic will also sign it. If you're an owner operator, you'll just do that yourself and hit save. Okay, at that point you've entered as the driver the defect. At this point we're going to continue the process and show you what it looks like to rectify the issue and clear it. So on the top right hand side, the driver has signed it, the mechanic has signed it, and now once it's been fixed, the driver of the vehicle will go back in, confirm that it has been fixed, and sign it himself, making the process complete. So at that point, you can see on the top, the pre-trip inspection was completed. We've noted the defects, and we've gone through the process of showing how our fleet manager and owner operators can stay compliant and keep their pre-trip inspections to a T. So here's just another feature in the ELD app that's great to use. If you've got a lot of drivers underneath you, they can communicate with you guys more effectively, have that vehicle brought in. Once it's in, you guys can have the parts there ready. Just more features that we have in our ELD app. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.